The company features a 500 square meter product experience area, where products are displayed according to their usage. Clients can visit the experience hall to intuitively assess product quality and performance. To strictly control quality, the cooperative factory employs fully automated production equipment, utilizing an automated production line for processes such as die casting, polishing, assembly, and quality inspection. This significantly improves delivery efficiency while ensuring stable product quality. The company consistently adheres to the business philosophy of building trust for long-term success. Harmonious win-win, reputation first, customer foremost, and looks forward to collaborating with more international partners.